Hi guys, today we'll be opening Disney Doorables, which this pack is $10.99 at Target. There are littler ones that you can get other ones, but this is the second edition. These are all from the first edition, and yeah, I got those. And then this is my friend Bunny. He's from Toy Story 4. I liked that movie a lot. It was pretty good, and he's very good to cuddle with. And so on this box it says you can collect 5, 6, or 7 Disney Doorables. And then this on the back it says look for the limited edition metallic figures. Ooh, I hope we get one of those today. And how many figures will you find? 5, 6, or 7? I hope it's 7. And then sparkly glitter eyes. I love sparkly glitter eyes. And then fuzzy figures in every pack. I really want a fuzzy figure. I wonder which fuzzy figure I'll get. And so these are all the ones I have from the first season. This is the White Rabbit. He is from Alice in Wonderland, and he always thinks he's late. I don't really know a lot about him because I haven't seen the movie yet, but this is the White Rabbit. He is pretty cute. Here's the side, the back, side, and then back to the front. Here is Hey Hey the chicken. He is very funny and cute. He is very awesome too, because look, you can't really see his eyes when he's standing like this. So that's why I like to keep him on his side like this. Here's the back, here's the side, here's the front. Oops. There he goes. Here is the blue fairy. She is very pretty with her very pretty hair. And this is the first season, so in this box you can't get any of these, but you might get the same characters, just different, a little different. So this is the blue fairy. She has very pretty wings, as you can tell, and then her hair is very pretty, and so is her blue dress. Here is Flash. He is a sloth. They call him Flash because he's really fast. And Nick Wilde calls him Flash 100-yard dash. And but some part of the movie he's very slow, and then at the end of the movie he's very fast. It's really funny. And here's Tinkerbell. She's an ultra rare, so she's very glittery, if you guys are wondering why she's so glittery. And that's what I like about her, but her bun is pretty cute too. I'll let you guys see her bun on the front because I was holding it there. And then her big wings were pretty. And then the stuff on her shoes right there. Here's Rapunzel. She's from the movie Tangled. And so in the movie Tangled, it's about her trying to escape the castle and stuff, and she's the main character. She has beautiful long hair and stuff, and her dress is pretty, but you can't really see her dress because of how long her hair is. Here's Piglet. He was a special edition in the first season because Winnie the Pooh was the special edition, and so he is very soft, and that's what I like about him, and his eyes are very cute. Here's Clocksworth. He is also an ultra rare, and so I like that his nose is kind of like a clock, and then he's just very cute. And then I'll get the turn. It's pretty cool. On the back, it has all the characters. I'm gonna show you guys the back. These are some of the characters that you can get. This is Winter Belle. She's the one that I really want. I love her winter coat and her hood with the birds. And then here's Ursula. I think it would be pretty funny to get her, but if I did, I'd give her to my mom because my mom loves Ursula. Common, which if you get common, that's white. You can get rare, which if you get rare, that's green. Ultra rare is blue, and the ultra rare characters are sparkly. And then limited edition is pink. Special edition is this magenta color, and those are fuzzy. So here are some of the commons. You can get Jessie, Woody, and Beast as a common. And then for rares, you can get, here are some of the rares that you can get. It's Prince Ali, Rapunzel with the frying pan, and Maui Shark, which is pretty funny. And then some ultra rare is Elsa Frozen Fever, Princess Vanellope, and the Genie. And then some limited edition you can get is Ariel, Blue Dress, Band, Concert Mickey, and Sven. And then the special edition you can get Simba, Nala, and Scar as the special edition. And they all look so cute. I think it's time to open it up. Again, I hope I get a Belle Winter outfit and Ursula. Those would be cool ones to get. Let's open this up. We have to get off all the plastic. Oh, look, this just came right off. Okay, it says, open me and peek inside. So I'm gonna open it. Whoa, look at all these doors. I wonder how much I'll get. Let's open the first one. So let's take this out. Oh, here's the stand that I'll stand on. Let's see who we get. We have Mr. Smee. I'm gonna get, this one doesn't have the list out, but there's Mr. Smee on the back. Mr. Smee is a common. I'm gonna put him on his little stand. Let's see. He is so cute. Look at his white beard and his glasses. And then here's the side. Look at his red hat. That's what I like most about him. Let's open the next one. This is so much fun. Let's take a peek inside. Ooh, this package is a good one. I hope I get a good one in here. Let's try opening it on the other side. Ooh, who did I get? I got Sebastian. Sebastian wasn't on the list. I wonder what he is. He is very cute. Let's get his stand out that is in here, I think. But I don't see a stand, so I'll just put him on his feet because he can stand on his feet. But here he is. Here's the side and the back. Look, I think it's from Under the Sea. So it looks really cool. And he's so cute. I got one about the sea. Oh, look. Here is the direction things where it tells you like who you can get and stuff. I'll tell you what Sebastian is. Let's see. Sebastian is a common. Wow, the commons really like me. Let's open up the next one. Yay! Let's see what's inside. Let's take a peek. Oh, so excited. Okay, let's see. I got Upside Down Alice. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. She looks like she's an ultra rare because see, she is glittery. But we'll check to see. Let's see. She's an ultra rare. She is so cute. Don't you guys agree with me? Like, that is funny. That she's falling like that. That's really cute. I'll show you her. Here's the front, the side, the back, side. And now my hands are glittery. That's really cute. Let's see what's inside. Take a peek. Let's see. And a little help for opening this always open it on the black side. I kept getting confused. Well, there that one goes. Oh my gosh. Look, it's someone from the Lion King. It's Zazu. I got Zazu. He is very cute. He is a special edition, so that means he's very fuzzy. I'll turn him around for you guys to look at him because he has a lot going on there. He is so cute. Oh, these are so cute. They were a great invention. So let's open up the last one. I really hope I get Winterbell or Ursula. But Zazu flew out there like a bird. Oh, it's Mrs. Potts. She is the cutest thing ever. Let's see what Mrs. Potts is. Let's see. Let's look for Beauty and the Beast on my thing. Must have skipped it. Okay, yeah, here it is. She is a rare. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. I'll give you a little tour, like side, back. The back has her little holder. Side, front. I love the little wink. So I've got all my collection set up, and look who decided to show up late. It was Mayor Lionheart, and he's a mayor. He should be the first one here, and he has no time for explaining. So I'm gonna put him with Flash, which is right here. So they're gonna have to move a little like this. Okay, Piglet, get back up. No time for sleeping. Get back up. Okay, good, Piglet. Okay, so here's my collection. So I put them by movies. These guys, Sebastian and this Sebastian, and all the characters this way don't have a partner, but for the movies. But Flash and Mayor Lionheart are in the same movie, which is Zootopia, and then Alice and the White Rabbit are in Alice in Wonderland, and Tinkerbell and Mr. Smee are in Peter Pan, and then Mrs. Potts and Clocksworth are in Beauty and the Beast. I love my Disney Doorables, and I hope you love them too. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!